Hi, Holley. Ronan. Come here, Ronan. 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 Welcome back, everyone. We are, well, as you can see, we're out here in the garage. Got the old yellow pickup back there. 4.8. It do be running pretty good. But right now, I just have, some switches hooked up, but I just have the stock dash not doing anything. Currently the only one that works on there is the voltmeter, but then I have the Holley 3.5 right there, just kind of sitting there. Really been wanting a bigger screen. Would really like one of the Holley ones, but they're just so freaking expensive. So for a long time, I've wanted a Teen Curry Electronics one. I think they're like 6 or 7 inch or something. Super nice, take forever though, from what I've seen, but really wanted one. So here we are. I have a Holley screen. It's not the Holley screen I was expecting, but I have a Holley screen. So they sent out an email, and it was on their website and stuff. This one looked like it was primarily just for Holley Sniper, and then they must have came out with a new update or something, and now it works on Sniper and Terminator and Dominator and HP, I think. I know it works on Terminator though, that's all I care about. So I ordered one. 5-inch screen. It's got micro SD for data logging. It's got that's where your handheld goes into, GPS connection. What? But the cool part is here. So here's the screen, right? Pretty cool. Holley EFI. But it does screen things, but then you can also do tuning things like you can on the 3.5. So that'll be pretty cool. And then right on Holley's website, which I thought was kind of cool, they say to get a splitter, take the 3.5-inch screen and put it under the hood. That way then you have gauges under the hood, which is a pretty cool idea. But I'm thinking, yeah, something like that. But we're gonna take out the gauge cluster, we'll get rid of the 3.5, and then can get myself to spend the stupid money on a blank. So as you can see here, I got a couple sheets of plastic. So I'm hoping I can cut this up, mount it, do something with it, and make that work so that I can mount the screen to it and figure it out. The only thing left I will have to figure out is blinker lights, if I really want those, which I'm on the fence. I haven't decided if I want those, but a fuel gauge. That would be super nice. And I don't think it's like the regular Holley screens where you can do an input and get different gauges and stuff. So I might just have to get like a regular gauge and mount it over there. The fun part will be figuring out how to wire it, because from the factory it went through the ECU and then to the cluster. So I'll have to figure all that out. But for now, let's get this gauge mounted, or this screen. Let's get this here Holley screen all mounted up. So watch along. Let's do this. Okay, cluster's out and right here. Now, moment of truth. Did I buy a big enough piece of plastic that I can make something close. Those holes won't line up though. Well, this is our progress so far. The little grindy thingy I was using died, but yeah, this thing. Battery died on it, so. But we took the cluster that was in the pickup, absolutely just destroyed it and ruined it. Like, there's no coming back from it. Cut that all up. we broke that out of it, so I mean we ain't going back. But this will work good. It'll bolt in place. Get the rest of this cleaned up tomorrow, and then we'll have to cut out here because in this little stand will mount here. That way this can lock on. So then this will roughly be kind of sort of like that. And then I can still do like a fuel gauge or something here or whatever. So that'll work out. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Let's see what that brings. See what else we can destroy. Maybe hurt ourselves some more. I already stabbed myself with a screwdriver, so much long. Okay, back out here working on this thing again. That should be charged now, so I just got to get battery. But let's get to cleaning this up, making it look somewhat decent. We don't want it to look too nice, but we want it to look okay. I mean, the pickup's not too nice, it's just okay. So we want this to match, so let's get to it. Well, I got it as much as I can with that thing. It's just too long, so I got a Dremel. It's a Harbor Freight Dremel, and it kind of annoys me, but we'll get it out, see if we can't clean this up a little bit more, see what happens. Okay. Look at that fit. This side does not look that good, but it's in there. So now I just gotta pop this out, and then there's this small lip here I can try and adhere it to. I don't know what to try. I guess maybe hot glue could work. I don't know. I got JD Weld, but I don't think that's gonna work the best, so what can we come up with? Let me look around. Let's figure this out. Like that, looking pretty factory. So then just have this, thinking about using this low profile mount, and I can just mount it to here. So then I need to drill 2 holes for here and here to come through, but it'll be something like that. Not bad, not bad. Okay, well, I finally got impatient. I was trying to find a hot glue gun, couldn't find it. I had some old JV welds, so I mixed that up, put it on there. It kind of splooged out. But oh well, cleaned it up best I could. Duct taped it down just to hold it in place. This little cave in. This groove here is just for those 2 connectors there. So, I guess we will throw it back together, put that on, and then pull the 3.5 out of there around the lines for this one. Toss it in, see what happens. Okay, so I got the dash in. Terrible. Could be a little better, but anyways, dash is in. Dash turns on. Looks pretty cool, but the dash needs version 3. I have version 2, so we are working on updating it to version 3. So hopefully this goes better than it did on the Caprice, because that one fucked me hard. Stay tuned. Okay, dash is in. It's all updated. Had a little bit of a scare there getting it updated because I didn't really do things the right way, but I ended up doing it the right way, and long story short, now it works. So let's, oh jeez. There we go, straighten that out a little bit. So now it's reading numbers. I do have to play around with it some more. So we got a few different screens we can play on. Somehow I can change these too, I think. So we'll see. I'll have to figure out which one I like best. Which really, I think I like that one best. I just need to figure out how to get these updated. I added these RPM ones, but it won't really let me choose anything else, so I don't know what I got going on. But then we can also do tuning, just like on the regular handheld. So you can mess with whatever, which is cool. Transfer to bass, but yeah. And the screen isn't as terrible as the handheld with a little 3.5 inch. I didn't know you could mess with transmission stuff. That's what? Okay. But yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff on here, and then it still has logging. You can do log triggers. I don't know how to close. We can still do wizards, GPS auto set, GCF, everything. See, it'll be cool. It'll be cool actually having speed and stuff again, and not having to pay the crazy money for the big screen. Honestly, this one's actually a pretty good size in there. So I just gotta get like a fuel gauge added and a couple other things, I think. So anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this inspired you to get one of these screens. I think it was like 400 bucks or something. Still a lot of money, but heck of a lot cheaper than other options out there. So I'm excited for it. I'll have to keep playing with it, see how it does, order another one up for the Caprice. So anyways, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. Have a good one.